You want an easy life? Don't be spiritual. Don't do it.
Right.
Don't do it. But those of us who are called, like yourself, are called. We can't do anything about it. We're just called. Okay, okay, destroy that which is not me.
Right.
So I can know me. And then we
Mhm.
wonder, why is my life falling apart?
Yeah.
Years ago, I had a Kundalini awakening, my like fifth or sixth,
Mm.
and I pushed it, which I shouldn't have done with other practices.
Hmm.
Kundalini's energy at the base of the spine that comes up and associated with illumination.
Mm.
And the universe came pouring in, and I couldn't leave the house for 3 years.
Oh, wow.
I had to stop working, everything stopped. Friends were terrified because if it could happen to me, if I could basically almost lose it, like I kept myself out of the hospital with the
Mm.
help of my friends, right? They got scared. A lot of people like couldn't, I don't want to see him.
Right.
And what I had been praying for was my evolution. And in order to evolve, that had to happen.
Mm.
That had to happen. I was arrogant before. I'm much more humble, right?
Do you feel
I
that was a blessing in disguise? Just
blessing, curse, it's
both.
all you.
Yeah.
But it has to happen I guess it's a blessing, in order for me to recognize who I'm not,
Mm.
who I'm not. We're all so pumped up with ego. Of course we are, right? Ego being defined as that which makes us feel special or different.
Mm.
That's this, right?
Yeah.
Right. So here I am, this highfalutin psychic, like getting calls every day from celebrities, blah, 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 blah.
Mm.
And all of a sudden I can't do anything. I can't go out. I'm just like stuck in the house for 3 years. I didn't leave the house.
Mm.
I wanted to drive out to the country where it'd be quieter, but I couldn't get out.
Ah.
So, and all that time alone causes you to like really know yourself. So if you're spiritual and if your life is falling apart, good job. You're on track. You are on track.